Welcome to my channel, guys. And today, I want us to compare two different powerful AIs when it comes to the issue of creating a very beautiful visualization, like a dashboard visualization, using your CSV file or your Excel file. So I want us to compare Manus AI and Claude AI. So this is my Claude AI interface, and then this is my Manus AI interface, and then this is my Claude AI interface. Let me close this. So this is a Claude AI interface. So now I'm going to this particular data set is the one I want to feed those two AIs with. This particular data set is a gaming data set, and it explore the behavioral patterns that distinguishes whether an individual engages in an healthy game lifestyle or an addicted game lifestyle. So this data set consists of 250 participants from different countries. As you can see it here, from different countries, so India, Brazil, and then the type of games they play, their income, their occupation status, their rankings on the game, the type of devices they use for the games. Now, instead of sitting down in front of my Excel and then be racking my head on how to create a visualization using my Excel table here, so I want to use these two different AI platforms to create beautiful dashboard like interactive ones, and I want to know which one will give me a better output. Is it Claude AI or Manus AI? So I've already sent the request. So this is actually the prompt I entered on these two different platforms. So this for Manus AI. So I will also give you the access to this particular prompt in my description below. So this is the prompt. Please analyze the attached data set and create a stunning ID interactive HTML dashboard. So this is the file attached. So Manus AI has already given me the output. Then I did the same thing for Claude, the same prompt, no difference. So I just want us to check which of these two AI give us a better output when compared to the other one. So the output has already been given, and this is from Cloud. So Cloud gave me this output, this dashboard, this very beautiful and interactive dashboard here. So this is from Cloud. Then let me show you the one from Manus AI. This is from Manus AI. They look the same, if you ask me. So they look the same. And if you ask me which one I would like to go for, uh, I would say I will go for the Manus AI one. Yes, because maybe it may be different. Like you may actually go for the cloud, or you can choose based on your preference. But this one actually gave me more, like, it's enticing to me. Yeah, the design, like the layout is actually more enticing to me than that of Claude. This is a Claude AI's own. So let's compare some of the values. So we have average addition score 8.5 on Claude AI. Let's check Manus AI. Average addition score is 38.7. So I think uh, Claude AI, Manus AI did some rounding up, why Claude AI didn't do any rounding up. Then we have average daily play time 6.1 hours. That is on Claude AI, 6.1 hours. Then on Manus AI, this is average 6.2 hours. So can you see that Manus did rounding up, while Claude didn't do rounding up? So all these ones are very interactive, all gens. So you can choose. Maybe I want to check data for this game, Battle Royale. So what's the average additional score for Battle Royale for all countries is 34.4. So maybe for horror is 39.5. So that means horror games has more additional score than Battle Royale. So this is actually interactive. That you can check from which platform, from for mobile. So Battle Royale game for mobile has an additional score of 35.7. So you can also do the same here. So this one too is also interactive, as you can see here. So let's look at other visualization charts. So this we have additional score by behavioral cluster. So these are the behavioral clusters on Claude AI. So I think on Manus AI it presented them in form of pie charts. So these are the behavioral clusters here. So this is the social gamer. Social gamer is 39. This is a Corsa enjoyer. This is 43. So then addition score by gen. Okay, now let me explain this addition score by gen. So it says for those that are engaged in the playing of sandbox game, they have the highest addition score. So participants that are playing sandbox game have the highest addition score. That's around 43. That's around 43 score. Then followed by FPS. I don't know which game is called FPS. So FPS around maybe 39. Yes, let's say 39. Sorry, I think followed by MMORPG, then followed by FFPS. So let's check Claude if we have something similar. Maybe Claude gave us the same. Okay, Claude didn't give us that particular chart. So for Claude, we have severity distribution, like how the severity of addiction in the population presented in this chart. So we can see that we have mild addiction. That is a good number of population actually have mild addiction. Okay, so that's not too severe, like something that's still manageable. Then we have moderate. This is moderate and severity. So severity is actually small. That's 2% of the population have severe addiction. Then under Claude, I love this chart under Claude, this particular time and addiction score. So let me explain this. This 0.3 to 3 years, it means the playing time, like the players that have been playing from 0 to 3 years, then players that have been playing from 4 to 6 years, 7 to 10 years, 11 to 5 years, to 15 years, and 16 years plus. So this chart shows that the players that have been playing from 0 to 3 years have the highest addiction score. Like they are more addicted to the game than players that have been playing from 4 to 6 years. And this one have more addiction score than players that have been playing from 7 to 10 years. And 7 to 10 years have lesser addition score than players that have been playing from 11 to 15 years. So then this because this line is for addition score, this line is for the playing. I think this one is for the playing hours. So 0 to 3 years have lower playing hours than 4 to 6 years. 4 to 6 years has more playing hours than 7 to 10 years, and so on and so forth. So this is the scatter plot, and then this is spider plot. So which is showing a higher psychological stress, showing that stress has the highest psychological score. That's the highest psychology score in this particular data set. So if you ask me, Claude AI output is actually good, but I will just tilt towards Manus AI output. I love the Manus AI output. I love the output. Addition score by age group, so which shows that from age 13 to 18 have the highest addition score when it comes to gaming than every other age group. So I don't know what your preference is. So you can tell me your preference in the comment section. You can go for the Claude Hair output or the Manos AI, but the major reason for this video is to show us which of these two AI has the best output, and then you can actually use any of these two AI to create an interactive dashboard, like according to according to your wish, like anyhow you want it to be. So I can recommend these two particular platforms for your interactive dashboard. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next video.